Hello friends, welcome back to CodeFrags. In the last video, I said how to download the Python software. Those who are all not seen that, click the link given in the description box. And who are all not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe and click that bell icon. In Python, programs can be written in two ways, that is interactive mode and script mode. What is the difference between those two is, in interactive mode, when we type the program code, it will show the result immediately when we click the enter button. But in script mode, we have to save that file to get the result. And the programs written in script mode is permanent and we can reuse that file because we are saving that file. But in interactive mode, it is just temporary. If we close that software, all the things will erased. Now let's see how to use print statement in different ways. Now we are going to print one string. String must given inside a double quotes or single quotes. Now I am giving print double quotes CodeFrags. The result is shown here. This is interactive mode, so it is shown immediately. Now again print CodeFrags. I am giving single quotes, it is also printed. Okay, now I am going to print two strings. To separate those strings, I am using comma in between those. Now it's printed, separated by space. We can also give numbers, letters, decimals inside the print statement. It will also print. See, it is also printed. See, all the statements are separated by space. If you want to separate the values with some colon, semicolon or anything, we have to use the separate keyword. In the end, we have to use sep equal to, within the double quotes, I am going to separate the values with colon, so I am using colon. If you want to separate the values with semicolon, hyphen or something, you have to give the in between double quotes. And we cannot use double quotes inside another double quotes, and likewise we cannot use single quotes inside another single quote. And then we can also perform arithmetic operation inside the print statement. Print, I am giving 5 plus 6, so it is printed the result as 11. Print 9 minus 8, it is printed the result. Likewise, we can use all the arithmetic operations in the division. If we use division, it will print only a decimal value. So if we want to print a whole number, we have to use float division. It will print a whole number. Okay, now we will see how to use end keyword. For this, I am using script mode. So we have to go to file and new file. The use of end keyword is we can print two separate lines. Now in the first statement, I am giving first line as a string and I am using end keyword and you am using space in between the double quotes because I want to print the statement separated by space. And in the second statement, I am giving second line as a string. Now I am saving this file. Now I am running, run module. See here, the two statements are printed in the same line, separated by space. Okay, that's all. In this video, we have seen how to use print statement in different ways. We can see many methods in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.